In today's video, I'll be going over my experience with using the Crucial X8 portable SSD to see if it is worth your money. Let's get started. Looking at the spec of this portable SSD, it is pretty standard. It supports USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 with a transfer rate of up to 1050 MB. Support for Windows, macOS, PS4, Xbox One, iPadOS, Android, and Chrome OS. And what is inside the box is pretty bare bone as well. It just comes with a USB-C to C cable with a USB-A adapter. The USB-A adapter will only support USB 3.0 speed, so it'll be slower if you do plan on using it. The Crucial X8 weighs about 100 grams and has a heaviness to it that feels premium. The analyzed aluminum unibody core has a rounded corner that's easy to hold in the hand, and on each end there are rubberized material that's designed to absorb shock from drops and bumps. The black color coating doesn't show fingerprints as easily and looks okay, but personally I'm not a fan of the glossy part with the Crucial logo on it. The Crucial X8 transfer data at a fast speed, but is not the fastest when compared to other portable SSD. I got around 800 MB for both read and write for both my PC and Mac using Blackmagic disk speed tests, but I did get a higher transfer rate of 1000 MB while using Crystal Disk. And copying 50GB of data, a video file, onto the drive just took a bit over 5 minutes. But the drive did get quite hot to the touch, so I would not recommend using this drive primarily to edit videos directly off of the drive, because I'm not too confident the passive cooling will be sufficient to keep this SSD running at a constant speed without throttling it. The Crucial X8 SSD is great for on-the-go drive with a solid build, wide compatibility, easy to hold, and offers a lot of value when it is on sale. But at that cost, it does have its drawbacks such as a slower transfer speed and a shorter USB-C cable. Would you buy it over a competitor's, or are there better choices out there? Let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.